Okay.
Go.
We are bringing these ducks/geese onto the street, into the industrial area.
I'm on a skateboard. Okay, whatever.
Okay.
Don't poop on my board.
You gotta... Okay, keep backing up. Keep backing up.
Oh, you gotta get those birds.
Yeah, I know. We got it. No.
Oh,
Come
no.
back. Come back, duckies. No. Wait, we got it. Here we go. We got shit coming. Here we go. They're coming, Cal. Cal, they are coming.
Hey, don't waste all the bread.
I know. Trying to go as slow as I can. No. Come back. You can't. Your skateboard. Alright. No. Why are you... What? Slowly. Oh, here we go. We got a couple followers.
Those are the true believers.
What are they eating over there?
Those are the true disciples.
Yeah, here we go. Here we go.
The true
Yeah,
followers.
that's all right. Come on over here. Here we go. Oh, there we go. They're storming in here.
Where
do you think one's gonna come? Oh, no, they're scared there. No, the runners. Okay, wait, I got this one duck. He's gonna...
Is he choking? Oh, okay.
Oh, here we go. Here's the noble. Come on, you want it. You know you want it.
That is our true believer. So my
One
board...
duck.
Here, hold on.
No,
I'm gonna get my board.
Okay, here, Cal. Cal, you gotta start up the revolution. Oh, we gotta restart. Each time this crap happens, we gotta restart. Cal, I didn't waste that much. Like, we should be able... Is it still recording? Is it still recording?
I don't know. Is the timer on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, here.
Look, they're all...
They're all what?
Hey, can I do some?
I'll just take this one. Here we go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, keep going. Here we go. Up the... We got to bring them up before people are coming.